What if a single decision could change your life forever? What if that decision could set you on the path to financial freedom? Imagine a life where money isn't a source of stress, but a tool for achieving your dreams. If this sounds like a distant utopia, it isn't. Financial freedom is a very real and achievable goal, but to reach it, you need a roadmap. This roadmap is financial planning and investment. Financial planning isn't just about budgeting or saving. It's about understanding your personal financial situation, setting financial goals, and making a plan to reach them. It's about taking control of your financial future. Think of your financial plan as a tree. The roots represent your income, the trunk represents your savings, the branches represent your investments, and the fruits represent your financial goals. Just like a tree needs strong roots to grow, your financial plan needs a strong income base. This is your day job, your business, or any other source of income. But a tree doesn't just need roots, it needs a strong trunk. This is your savings. The more you save, the stronger your financial tree becomes. But saving alone isn't enough. You need to invest your savings. This is where the branches come in. Investing is like planting the seeds of your financial tree. It's about making your money work for you. It's about creating multiple sources of income. It's about growing your wealth over time. There are many ways to invest, from stocks and bonds to real estate and businesses. But remember, all trees need time to grow. Similarly, your investments need time to grow. This is why it's important to start investing as early as possible. The longer you invest, the more your money grows. This is the power of compound interest. Now let's talk about the fruits of your financial tree. These are your financial goals. Whether it's buying a house, starting a business, or retiring early, your financial goals are the end result of your financial planning and investment. So how do you start your journey towards financial freedom? First, understand your financial situation. Second, set financial goals. Third, make a plan to reach them. And finally, start saving and investing. Remember, financial freedom isn't a destination, it's a journey. And like all journeys, it starts with a single step. So take that step today. Start your journey towards financial freedom. Because the only thing standing between you and your financial freedom is a decision. A decision to take control of your financial future. A decision to start planning and investing. And remember, the best time to start is now. Because the sooner you start, the sooner you'll reach your financial goals. So don't wait. Start your journey towards financial freedom today.